Welcome back to the Muldowney protocol. I have messed up and kind of forgot to record day 5, day 6. I am now recording both day 5 and 6 and day 7. So, got my trusty journal here. So, day 5, I did a minute and 40 seconds. I forgot how to read for a second. I realized that I was doing some stuff wrong though. I was able to correct myself after I figured out what I was doing wrong. I did not figure that out fast enough though, and it did lead to my back locking up later on. And I feel that since that was my fault and that I figured out the correction and felt much better after the correction, that on day 6 I could do a minute and 40 seconds yet again. So, flip the page. Day 6. So, we're almost a weekend at this point. I made a joke and said, if anything, this proves I can do anything for at least 5 minutes a day. And it's literally less than 5 minutes a day, but I'm including floor time that comes after any sort of exertion. So, you know. I did another 1 minute and 40 second round per exercise. And I did not experience any exaggerated pain. I was able to really focus on those corrections that I had made the day before. Just my regular day-to-day pain, like especially whenever I'm bending over, which is one of the biggest triggers for the back pain, is bending over. It's not increasing that, it's just staying how it is. Okay, so flip on over to today. Today is Easter. I did not wind up going to Easter festivities. I am concerned how I will be around my family, well, around our families, in a group of people, whenever it can be overstimulating, especially because right now the stress is really just kind of jacking up the FND a little bit. My jaw keeps trying to tighten, and I know that's the FND, and I feel like I'm chewing on my words a little bit. So I'm gonna wrap this up. But I did a minute and 50 seconds today. I was able to notice the corrections that needed to be made even quicker today. My normal pain, of course, is still there. It will never go away. I am well aware of that. But it is absolutely gross outside today. It's rained all day. So even with the exercising, the extra 10 seconds per exercise, plus the gross weather, plus, my regular garbage, it still did not exacerbate the pain, which I'm very grateful for, and it brings me more hope for what the future will bring. So stay tuned for when I remember to record again. Thanks, y'all.